For all the times that you've ruined my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. For all the times that you've ruined my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. Hey, what is up guys, my name is Struff here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to auto-tune your voice, or how to make your voice clearer, get rid of the background noise, how to make your voice really professional looking using DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of these kind of videos. So let's play it first. So as you can see, I'm not even talking, but there is a little bit of audio. This is what the clip is. A background noise. For all the times that you... and a simple voice without that much editing. Okay? So now let's go to Effects, Fairlight, and now let's add noise reduction. Okay? We will first use auto speech mode and we will only listen to the noise. Okay? So let's play it. Whatever you're hearing right now is actually... all of these are just the background noise. Okay, now we will get rid of listen to noise only and we will cut it, because for all... now if we play it, as you can see, for all the decreased like a lot. If we only play this part, that all of them decrease. If we play it, this is like where you can't even hear the background noise. Now the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to EQ our voice. Now every different person has different ways to EQ, and that also depends upon the environment you're in. Okay, for example, I am making a tutorial, or I'm singing a song, or I am in front of the mic and only my voice is required. Okay, then I will click on band 1 and band 6, and I will make sure that I don't select anything below 20 Hertz, or that actually depends, we will see that, and everything above like 16,000 or 15,000 Hertz. But if you are like shooting for filming and stuff, if there are like bird sound and car sound and dog sound, you don't want these, because you also want their sound. Okay, I'm just getting rid of their sound. Okay, so make sure you don't have them if you are making a movie, but you do have them if you are the only voice in front of a mic. Okay, is what I need. Now let's keep playing. Okay, now let's see, where do I get like a bad noise. Okay, I will increase this and I will check where do I get a bad noise. For all the times that... as you can see, this part of noise is not good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease this, not that much but a little bit. That actually depends, you have to see how it works. For all the times that... now let's do the same thing. Let's see. For all the times that you've ruined my parade. For all the times that you've ruined my parade. And like, this is for a boy, maybe not for a man, and obviously not for a girl or a woman. So this is for a boy. Okay, and if you're making a movie, you don't want to edit this a lot, because different person's voice will be a lot different. Okay, so you want to edit this slightly, not that much, but I like that much. Okay, but since this is my only voice, and I know there won't be different sounds in different places, and it won't mess up the different audio, so I'm gonna edit this a lot. Okay, now for me, this is the best one. For all the times that you've ruined, for all the times that... so I got a little bit of boost of my voice. While we were doing EQ, sound of our voice got decreased a little bit. So we're going to go to Dynamics. Over here, double click over here, and then we're going to start this limiter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it over here, and I'm going to change this one to make sure there is no red line. Okay, no red line. Yeah, now it is perfect. Now let's see. For all the times that you've ruined my parade. So that is much better, and the voice is much louder without any kind of distortion. And there's one called compressor. I don't normally use compressor.
Like there should be at least two sounds for this to work: gun firing sound and talking sound, or different kinds of two sounds. Since I have only one sound, I can't do anything. Okay, this tutorial is for syncing, not movie editing, so I can't do anything over in compressor. Okay, so now let's go again. Now whenever we did dynamics, you see that
this is background noise. Okay, let me show you again.
for all the time.
See that you heard over here? This is background noise. We got background noise again. So the same thing we're gonna do again. We're gonna again apply the background noise. Okay, and make sure you're doing all of this in a step-by-step serial. You don't want to do the second step first and then the third step later, and you don't want to mess up. Okay, let's do auto speech. I normally do auto because software engineers are more professional than me in audio physics, sound physics and stuff, so by the way, these are just the noise. As you can see, listen to noise only. So yeah, I'm getting a lot noise. For all the times that you've ruined my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. For all the times that you've ruined my parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name.
So as you have seen, so thank you guys, that was all from me in this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of this kind of short tutorials about really great stuff. Okay, hit the like button because that helps me a lot, and comment down below what kind of videos do you want to see next, if this helped you, if this didn't help you. I also have a Discord, so make sure you join my Discord channel. My name is Shahrir. The link for my Discord server will be in the description. So my name is Shahrir from Tech Enthusiast. Peace out.